Hey, it's ChrisWatters here in Austin, Texas. Welcome to my video real estate blog. If this is your first time tuning in, don't forget, top of the list, you can search homes for sale just like a realtor. Also, we have our home evaluation tool to find out from a low end and a high end range what your home might be worth. In this video, we're going to talk about the scary truth of buying a home in 2022. So the scary truth of buying a home in 2022, well, you're going to negotiate a great deal. Homes currently on the market are sitting on the market significantly longer than earlier this year. The number of homes on the market has gone up significantly. Multiple offers are now a thing of the past. Yes, interest rates are higher, but the cost of owning a home is 15 to 20% lower in some cities in Central Texas. Think about that, 15 to 20%. That means you could negotiate a home for $100,000 less than its previous asking price this past spring, if it was a $500,000 home. That's a significant savings and far outweighs any increase in interest rates. Not to mention, when interest rates do start to go down, you'll be able to refinance the home. We also have a program with the lender that we use, Supreme Lending, in which they will do the refinance for you at no cost. So you buy now, refinance later, and they do it for free. Thanks for tuning into my real estate blog. That's the scary truth. Don't forget, you can always search homes for sale on our website up above. You can look at properties that are not yet listed on the market, our coming soon list. And if you're interested in looking for a deal, contact our office. We have a list of foreclosures and new build homes that you won't find online. So give us a call. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.